Here we go, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Let's jump right in. In this video, I'm going to go over a few of the trades our Patreon members have made where they have gained over 30% or so profit in a relatively short period of time, actually less than a month. So anyway, let's jump right in. And as you can see, I'm taking these measurements from the bottom of the candle where it closed. Okay, a lot of people, touting, losses or gains, they'll use the extreme high of that candle or the low. Matter of fact, I'm going back and since I'm doing this video today, I'm doing it on today's gain, what it would be today. As you can see, it was actually better Monday. Of course, some people probably have gotten out, but anyway, bottom line, how we did this setup here is that we went to the weekly chart and we came over here going back to 2024, June of 2024, many weeks of resistance here. And as we came up, we looked on the daily for what we call an event candle. In other words, we look for, two main things: location, and then an event candle that takes you out of that location with high odds, high probability that the trade is going to work. And then, of course, we're all over, risk units, your stop loss, so on and so forth is the other part of that package, so to speak. But I'm not going to get into too much of that because our Patreon members pay for that. So I just want to, show you some of the results here. Here's another one. We'll give you this one a little tip. We love these plays off the 20 when it pulls back. And then here we closed under the 20, okay? And currently, right this second, we're at a 30% gain on this move right there. Just knowing those two things, okay? And then here we go again, using that weekly chart, coming over here, little high pivot there. All that was sold off. And then we got under the 20-week moving average, that blue line. And as you can see on these charts, I don't have a million indicators. The only reason why I have what I have on here now is, for video purposes. Now, this one has come up a little bit off the 200, so we're at, 24% profit on that one if they haven't sold out yet. And the last one here, 30% actually right this second. And as you can see, we look for that location, and then we found our event candle right here, okay, that had high probabilities, high, potential percentage of follow through to the downside, okay. And then of course, we had a location for our stop loss on there that, we'll show you how to figure at another time. And matter of fact, based on this chart, we're actually looking for a reversal here. Okay, and there's a key indicator on the chart. Okay, that's going to give us that, and we'll be able to run. But as you can see, our charts are clean. The more indicators, the more lines you have on here, the less, quite honestly, the less professional you are, the less money you're making. And I'll, stand up to that to any other, trader or YouTube personality out there. Okay. Well, that's been my observation. The more screens they have, the more indicators, the less productive, the less, profitable they are. And you can check that out for yourself. But in the meantime, if you want to learn how to, trade like the pros, know how to read the charts like the professionals, know when to enter a trade and when to exit. Exiting is just as important, if not more so, than entering, a play. And then also on top of that, your risk management. How much are you going to put in? If you have X number of dollars, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, what percentage that do you put in on the trade? How do you scale in? How and where do you scale in to add to your trades like a professional or like an institution? Okay. We can show you all that. We can hold your hand through that process. But anyway, I'll leave a link below. In the meantime, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And hopefully you got something out of this. And we will see you on the charts.